Right.
There's no way.
No. Are your girls, are they on the computer? Are they straight? Oh, I know. I told my kids, eat what's in the refrigerator, please. Because we got like...
Come on, we already got them started. Come on,
We got...
Come on, I'm going to make it first.
Yeah, are you stupid? Aww. Well, yeah, I'm glad we got to catch up because I was missing you. I was like, you know, what's up with my girl? Oh, hold on. Does this pick up noise? Does this pick up sound?
Yeah, we put on the internet.
I'm sitting here having a whole conversation. It's gonna be right on the internet.
I know, Mom. So I'm building the structure. I'm building the body of the
You're such a scientist. Well, let me go, girl. I got them. Yeah, oh, I love you. And I'll talk to you soon. Tell your girls I said hi, and they are beautiful.